Hi everyone, welcome to Blue Aquatics. If you are a goldfish owner worried about keeping your fish safe and healthy during the cold winter months, this video is for you. Goldfish are hardy creatures, but as soon as temperature drops, their care becomes more challenging. Today, we will discuss the ideal water temperature for goldfish in winters, why maintaining it is important, and practical steps to create a stable, healthy environment. So sit back, grab your notepad, and let's ensure your goldfish thrives this winter. So first is understanding goldfish and their natural habitat. Goldfish originated from temperate freshwater rivers and lakes in Asia, where seasonal temperature changes occur gradually. In the wild, they experience a natural cooling of water in winter, slowing their metabolism and activity. While goldfish can survive in temperatures as low as 10 degrees Celsius, such extremes are not ideal for domestic fish in tanks or ponds, where environmental stability is harder to maintain. Unlike their wild counterparts, captive goldfish depend entirely on you to regulate their environment. Drastic or sudden changes can lead to stress, illness, or even death. Goldfish are ectothermic animals, meaning their body temperature aligns with the water. This dependence makes it critical to maintain the right temperature range during winters. Too cold and they risk hypothermia or slowed immune responses. Too warm and their metabolic process may accelerate unnecessarily, leading to additional stress. So, what is the best temperature for goldfish in winters? Goldfish thrive best in water that is 18 degrees Celsius to 22 degrees Celsius during the winter months. This range keeps their metabolism active enough to support healthy digestion, mobility, and immune function without causing undue stress. For outdoor ponds, temperatures can safely drop to 10 degrees Celsius if the water quality is excellent, but anything lower than this should be avoided. If you are in a region with freezing winters, your pond or tank may need additional equipment to prevent the water from becoming too cold. Goldfish can tolerate cooler temperature better than tropical fish, but their resilience has limits. Water that drops below 10 degrees Celsius can trigger thermal shock, leaving your fish weak and vulnerable to diseases like fin rot or fungal infections. So, why maintaining the right temperature is important? When water temperature dips below their comfort zone, goldfish experience a significant slowdown in their metabolism. This affects their digestion, making them less efficient at breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. You may notice your goldfish eating less or even refusing food entirely, which is a natural adaptation to colder conditions. However, this slow metabolism also means their immune system becomes less effective, leaving them open to bacterial or parasitic infections. On the other hand, sudden or extreme changes in temperature can lead to thermal shock. Thermal shock disrupts the fish's ability to regulate their internal processes, causing lethargy, clamped fins, erratic swimming, or even death in severe cases. Maintaining a consistent temperature within the ideal range is essential for their overall well-being. So, how to monitor and regulate temperature in aquariums? For aquarium owners, monitoring water temperature is straightforward with the right tools. Invest in a reliable thermometer, preferably a digital one with a probe, to get accurate readings. Place the thermometer in a central location within the tank, avoiding areas near heaters or filters that might give skewed results. If your tank water frequently drops below 18 degrees Celsius, it's time to use an aquarium heater. Look for a heater with an adjustable thermostat and a wattage appropriate for your tank size. A 50-watt heater is usually sufficient for small tanks, while large tanks may require a 100 watt or 200 watt model. Place the heater near the filter outflow to ensure even heat distribution throughout the tank. When adjusting the water temperature, do so gradually. Rapid changes can stress your goldfish. Increase or decrease the water temperature by no more than 1 degree Celsius per hour. Use a backup thermometer to verify the heater is working correctly. Sudden malfunctions can lead to dangerous drops or spikes in temperature. So managing the temperature in outdoor ponds. Outdoor ponds require a slightly different approach. If you live in a region where temperature drop below freezing, it's crucial to prevent the water from freezing entirely. A surface freeze block oxygen exchange, which is vital for your goldfish. Install a pond de-icer or a floating heater to keep a small area of the surface ice free. These devices are energy efficient and easy to use. Submersible pond heaters are another excellent option, especially for smaller ponds. These heaters maintain a consistent water temperature without overheating the environment. For large ponds, considering using aerators to circulate water and prevent cold spots from forming. Additionally, use a pond cover or insulation to minimize heat loss during the night. So, common signs of temperature-related stress. Despite your best efforts, goldfish may still exhibit signs of stress due to temperature issues. Here are some common symptoms to watch for. First one is lethargy. Goldfish may stay at the bottom of the tank or pond barely moving. Second is loss of appetite. If they have stopped eating or spit out food, it's a sign their metabolism is too slow. Third is erratic swimming. Sudden, jerky movements or floating upside down may indicate swim bladder issues. Fourth one is clamped fins. This is when their fins are pressed tightly against their body, a clear sign of discomfort. If you notice any of these signs, check your water parameters immediately. Test for ammonia, nitrates, and pH level in addition to temperature. Correct any imbalances to reduce stress on your goldfish. So, pro tips for winter goldfish care. Place your tanks wisely. Avoid placing tanks near drafty windows, doors, or direct sunlight that can cause temperature fluctuation. Second is feed wisely. Switch to a specific goldfish food that's easy to digest. Reduce feeding frequency to once a day or every other day, depending on their activity level. Third one is water quality. Regularly clean the tank or your pond, as waste buildup can accelerate stress during winters. So conclusion. In summary, maintaining a water temperature between 18 degrees Celsius and 22 degrees Celsius during winters ensures your goldfish stay healthy and active. With proper monitoring, gradual adjustments, and a focus on stability, you can create a stress-free environment for your goldfish. Remember, your fish rely on you for their comfort and safety, especially in the colder months. So, thanks for joining us on Blue Aquatics. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert tips on fish care. Until next time, happy fish keeping!